Oranges and peaches and bananas all suck compared to peas. Peas will rule the world because they're green and round and they're peas. And I'm pretty sure they are wrinkled, only sometimes, and green. Don't forget the green of the peas because they will rule the world. Oranges and bananas and peaches all suck. No, 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 no,